So here on out, we've already finished up with our basil red skin mashed potatoes. So good, light, fluffy. Added a little bit of fresh roasted garlic in there. Next, we're going on to our citrus sage sauce, which is extremely good. I've taken the liberty to take a little bit of shallots, garlic, white wine, reduce it down, drop some orange zest up in there, and then finally come back with our roasted shrimp shells that we've had in the oven for probably about like 15 to 20 minutes, just to kind of bring out that flavor. So if you have shell food allergies, stay away. So we're then going to lower our heat a little bit, kind of let this drop down. Oh, it smells so good. So there it is right there. That's our stock. We have our basil red skin mashed potatoes ready. The next thing, you know what it is. The bacon wrapped scallops. Prosciutto wrapped scallops.